Ever spent hours copy pasting content between Instagram, LinkedIn, and your blog, only to realize you've double booked Tuesday? Designers and marketers waste 12 plus hours weekly juggling spreadsheets, Asana chaos, and broken Trello cards. Our system automates cross platform scheduling with Google Sheets templates linked to REST APIs, syncs deadlines to Jira sprints, and tracks performance via embedded Tableau dashboards. Imagine JSON webhooks triggering Notion updates or Zapier automations killing manual data entry. Say goodbye to the Control Alt Despair workflow. This is your content chaos tamed, period. Here's what's inside the Building Content Calendar System skill. It includes spreadsheet templates with built in formulas for content velocity tracking, OAuth 2.0 API connectors for platforms like HubSpot and WordPress, and bidirectional sync with Asana custom fields. You'll get pre built JSON schemas for campaign metadata, plus a React dashboard visualizing cross channel engagement. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a calendar, it's your command center for content domination. Installing the Building Content Calendar System skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building Content Calendar System. That's it. You'll download the complete skill: expert level guidance, API boilerplate code, and production ready templates. No config hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug API rate limits, optimize Sheets queries, and deploy dashboards. Warning: may cause extreme productivity. Consult your boss before automating their job away.